Thank you for purchasing a Harvest Sweep kit from Leading Edge Industries. This video will include step-by-step instructions for installation on a CIH 32 and 34 series cornhead. Lay out the Harvest Sweep chains with the curved portion of the paddle facing up. To determine whether a chain is a left or right chain, refer to the markings stamped on the top of the paddle. To begin assembling the chains and brushes, separate the left and right impact sweeps. Refer to the top of the sweeps for left or right markings. The straight edge of the impact sweep is always oriented toward the chain link. Assemble the three provided components using a 1/4-inch carriage bolt, front pusher plate, and left or right impact sweep. Be sure the steel pusher plate is installed with the arrow or Harvest Sweep emblem pointing up. Use the provided lock nuts to secure the impact pad and pusher plate to the chain. Begin disassembly by releasing tension in order to remove the chain. Next, the chain guides can be taken off in order to remove the stock deck plates. Clear any remaining debris and install the Harvest Sweep deck plates. To set the deck plate minimum opening, begin by closing the hydraulic adjustments all the way. Move the stationary plate until there is a 7/8 inch gap. Be sure to measure to ensure proper adjustment. Now both deck plates can be secured. Install both assembled chains, making sure the paddles are in a staggered formation. Reinstall the chain guide and tensioner. Retension the chains according to manufacturer specifications. Make sure the tensioning springs are not worn out. If they need to be replaced, those can be ordered from your local case dealer. Rotate the header by hand for 1 chain revolution to seat the bristles and check for clearance issues. Particularly, check the corners of the end rows for clearance. If needed, make modifications to allow for clearance.